Hello and welcome back to my channel. I think many of you know that it goes without saying how backed up the mail has been. And today I was just flooded with packages all in one day, so I thought I'd just do a Happy Mail haul video. So that is what I'm here to do. If this is your first time visiting my channel, and my content is something that you are interested in, I do haul videos, reviews, planner videos, crafting videos, some vlogging, and some beauty. And today, I received, I don't know, it was like 5 or 6 packages in the mail. So I thought I would show you what I got. And the first thing that I received were these amazing tennis shoes. I was contacted by someone to review these shoes, and when I purchased these, well, I didn't have to purchase them. They sent me these, but they were only $9.50. They were like marked way down. Some of them are marked down to like $7.79 right now. Just depends on what size you wear. But these are made by Vellum, and they're just a lightweight shoe that kind of forms to your foot. Plus they have the tie. It is a memory foam mesh. But I have another pair that is like this that has the memory foam. They do not have the thick, hard soles on the bottom like these do. So these give me a lot more support. Very comfortable. Did not have any problems with them all day. I will say that they run about a half a size smaller than what you would regularly wear. So I normally wear an 8.5 to a 9, kind of a 9 about this stage in my life. So I pick up the 9.5, and they fit me perfectly. So I will link these. I will put my affiliate link in the description, and you just need to click on that if you are interested. I receive a little bit of commission at no extra charge to you. So definitely a good buy. I love them. So it'll be interesting to see how they hold up. But they seem very well made. So yeah, Vellum tennis shoes will be linked in the description below. And the next thing that I got was a planner swap that I was in one of my Facebook groups, and I thought I would show you everything that I received because I was so excited about it. Let me take everything out of the package. Okay. Okay, the first thing that I received were these pens. One of them looks like a key, very fine point, but it's a great pen. I love fine point pens, or needle point. And then she also sent me this Simply Gilded pen, which I absolutely love. Turquoise is my favorite color, so super excited about this pen. And then my partner sent me this package of 3. You get gold, silver, and rose gold. And these are from Simply Gilded. So super excited about these. And then she sent me this one from Simply Gilded. If you can see let's see if I can lift my light up a little bit. But I love these greens. I'm very neutral colors are my favorites right now. And then also this one from Simply Gilded. It kind of looks like a quilted pattern. So, so yeah, love that. And then she sent me this keychain, which I'm in love with. It is rose gold. It has some acrylics. This one is a bow. And this one is a bee. It has the rose gold hardware. And then a cup or a mug with your pen, scissors, and a paintbrush in it. So love that. And then she sent me this small, I would call it a sticker pouch, or I can put it in my purse and stick my change or money in it. But super cute. It's a rose gold with the rose gold hardware. And then I believe this is from the Planner Society. It is an owl sticky note and then a house in the background, I believe. Let's see this. I love a notepad this size, so the owl is super cute. I could also use that in crafting though too. And then this one is a house with a lot of space to write on, so love those. And then she sent me these samples of washi from Simply Gilded. And then a paper clip, an owl paper clip from the Planner Society. And then last but not least is this pouch, which I'm going to either, it's a planner pouch. I could either put my planner in it or I can use it for stickers, which is probably what I will do. And then, oh, there's vellum inside. Some vellum sticky notes. So the first one is this one. And then I've never had a vellum sticky note. How are you supposed to use these? Because they're too pretty to use. You know I'm going to have to use them to decorate my planner. I think this is the, is it the Nightmare Before Christmas? And then here is one that is the Grinch. And then this super cute one looks more like of the Louis Vuitton print. So I love these. And that is what I received in my planner package. And maybe I will get on and post what I'm going to send her. I have a couple more days to send out, so I haven't sent everything. I don't have everything packaged up yet. I could put this on my keychain too, just to keep a card in my, when I don't want to take my entire purse or wallet in. And then I received from another swap, planner swap, we were swapping some of the new sticker books, and I received the budget sticker book. I believe on the website it's called Budget Goals. 14 and 11 pieces, and I will do a flip through on this and just in another video. And then this one is the household. On the website, it's called Household Chores. So, I was searching for both of these books, so glad to get them. And then, I happened to, and actually, I think I saw these two on Amazon. If you're interested in them, Now,
I can't get that Fire tablet skill. Go to Alexa app to manage video skill.
I don't know if, you know, they sell these on the Happy Planner website, which is great, but you pay a lot of money for shipping on the Happy Planner website, like upwards of $10. I ordered this one, the Seasonal Stick Babe. It was available on Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime, so it shipped free. So personally, I'd much rather order my sticker books from Amazon Prime and not have to pay any shipping. It's cheaper that way. They're exact same price as they are on the website. So this is the Seasonal Stick Babe, and I will do a flip through of it as well. So, but if I can find these two on Amazon also, I will link them there down below in the description, because if you have Amazon Prime, it's cheaper to avoid the shipping and just order them from Amazon. And then lastly, I had a small order arrive from Cloth and Paper. And yes, I've already opened it. Let's see. The first thing I got was this notepad. I like a notepad that is about this size. And it's kind of hard to find the perfect size of notepad. So I like just a basic notepad. I was able to find one on Cloth and Paper. It just says Memo, Cloth and Paper. It is not a sticky note. It's just a notepad. And I'm not sure how many sheets are in there, but it's a pretty thick pad, as you can see. So I received that, and then I wanted to try out this is the Sarasa Dry. Since I've started using highlighters so much. Sarasa Dry Drift Grip 0.5 by Zebra. And it writes wonderfully. I like that it is a big pen and it's easy to grip with this nice cushy grip. It's not as quite a fine point as I would like, but I did order some refills for it in the 0.4. So, so I have those to refill it with. So that is my haul. Like I said, I will link as many things as I can in the description below. And just click on my link and it will take you to the page on Amazon if you are interested in these items. I'll be back soon with a flip through of these 3 sticker books, as they are all from the new release. Everyone have a wonderful week and stay safe and stay healthy.